Welcome to our comprehensive guide on financial literacy. In today's fast-paced world, understanding how to manage your money is more crucial than ever. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to optimize your existing strategies, this video will provide you with essential insights from Ravi Abeysuriya's insightful book, Financial Literacy to Achieve Your Financial Wellbeing. We'll cover everything from the basics of financial literacy to smart borrowing, effective saving, and strategic investing. Get ready to empower yourself with the knowledge to build a secure and prosperous financial future. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is financial literacy? According to Ravi Abeysuriya, financial literacy is a combination of financial knowledge, skills, attitudes, and behaviors necessary to make sound financial decisions. It's about understanding personal financial issues, applying that knowledge to manage your finances, and developing the right mindset towards money. Ultimately, it's the ability to use knowledge and skills to manage your financial resources effectively for lifetime financial security. The benefits of being financially literate are immense. It helps you avoid debt traps, make informed decisions about saving and borrowing, and prioritize your needs efficiently. Financially literate individuals are more likely to achieve their financial goals, manage risks, and build a strong financial foundation. It's about gaining power over your money and building wealth, rather than letting money control your life. The first step is always to educate yourself and improve your financial IQ. Many of us are taught to work hard for money, but rarely how to make money work for us. This often leads to a cycle of chasing paychecks. True financial independence, as defined by Abeysuriya, is the ability to maintain your lifestyle for a lifetime, even if you stop working today. The key lies in understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. To achieve financial independence, you need to accumulate income-generating assets. These can include fixed income instruments, rent-generating real estate, profitable businesses, dividend-paying unit trusts, and stocks that appreciate in value. The goal is to build a portfolio of cash-generating assets that cover your expenses. This is where the magic of compounding interest comes in, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world by Albert Einstein. The longer your money is invested, the more it grows, creating a snowball effect for your wealth. Here are some key lessons to guide you. Invest in knowledge, aim for more assets, not just more income, and prioritize needs over luxuries. Reinvest excess cash flow into more income-generating assets. Consider establishing a company to protect assets and reduce taxes. Work to learn, not just to earn, and surround yourself with smarter people. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity, control your emotions, and always ask, how can I afford it, instead of, I cannot afford it. Most importantly, pay yourself first by investing a portion of your income before paying bills. Personal financial planning is essential for your financial well-being. It involves managing your spending, saving, and investing. The process has 6 crucial steps. 1. Determine your current financial status. Understand your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Use personal finance software or tracker apps to get a clear picture. 2. Develop your family financial goals. SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, rewarding, and time-bound. These can be short-term, medium-term, or long-term, like saving for a down payment or retirement. 3. Identify your options, your needs and wants. Distinguish between necessities and desires. Prioritize needs before indulging in luxuries. Avoid spending money you don't have to impress others. 4. Decide what is important to you. Your financial goals should discipline your financial management. Be willing to sacrifice short-term pleasures for long-term gains. For example, consider the long-term savings from cutting unnecessary expenses. 5. Develop a budget. Plan not to spend more than you earn. Cut expenses, build income-generating assets, and look for ways to save. A painless way to save is to automatically deduct savings from your income. 6. Be vigilant, measure, and monitor your progress. Keep records, review your goals, and revise your plan annually. Your financial needs will change as you get older, so your plan should evolve with you. Financial planning provides a disciplined approach to wealth building, helps avoid get-rich-quick schemes, and ensures realistic goal setting. It forces you to think long-term, allows for easy adjustments, and provides clarity for your family's financial future. Borrowing money can be a necessary part of life, but it's crucial to borrow smart. Before taking a loan, ask yourself these questions. 1. Do I really need to borrow? Could you save for the item instead? Remember, every loan comes with a cost, and the effective interest rate is always higher than the deposit rate. 2. What will be the down payment? A larger down payment minimizes the amount you borrow and saves you money over the loan's life. 3. What is the purpose of the loan? Is it for a productive purpose that will generate income to cover the repayment? Borrowing for consumption is generally unproductive. 4. What security or collateral is required? Understand that if you fail to repay, the lender has legal rights to your collateral. 5. What is the total cost of credit and effective interest rate? This includes all interest and fees. Be aware of how interest is calculated, fixed or variable, flat or declining. Declining interest rates are generally more favorable. 6. What are the additional fees? Look out for front-end fees, stamp duty, early repayment fees, and processing fees. These can often be negotiated. 7. What penalty, interests, and fines apply for missed payments? Understand the consequences of late payments. 8. What is the tax impact? Borrowing for business purposes often has tax benefits that personal loans do not. Beware of aggressive lenders who discourage you from reading loan documents. Always insist on understanding all terms and conditions. It's /easy to get into debt, but hard to get out. Avoid borrowing to pay off another debt unless it significantly reduces your total cost. Use borrowed money for productive investments, not for luxuries that lose value. Managing credit cards wisely is also vital. Credit cards are a form of borrowing and require high financial discipline. Always pay your full balance on time to avoid high interest charges. The wise use of a credit card is to take advantage of the interest-free credit period. Don't carry your credit cards everywhere if you're prone to impulse spending. Debit cards and mobile wallets are often a more sensible alternative for daily purchases, as they only allow you to spend what you already have. There are 2 primary ways to make money: working for it and making your money work for you. While saving is about setting aside money for future use and emergencies, investing is committing money for a longer period to generate future returns. Savings provide a safety cushion, but their value can erode over time due to inflation. Investing, on the other hand, offers the potential for greater returns, but also comes with higher risks. When you invest, your money can earn a steady income through interest or dividends, or it can appreciate in value, like real estate or stocks. The key is to understand the risks involved and to make informed decisions. While there backs us no gain without some pain, careful research and professional advice can significantly improve your investment outcomes. Remember, a balanced approach between saving for emergencies and investing for long-term growth is crucial for true financial well-being. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on financial